If you're planning to trade with Weltrade, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right account type. Each account is designed for different experience levels, strategies, and trading goals. Let's break them down clearly. First, we have the micro account. This is the most beginner-friendly option. The minimum deposit can be as low as just $1, which makes it accessible for almost anyone. Spreads are floating and typically start around 1.5 pips. Leverage can go up to 1.1000 depending on your region. This account is available on both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The micro account is best for beginners, small capital traders, or anyone who wants to test real market conditions with minimal risk. Next is the premium account. This account is designed for traders who are ready to step up from micro. The minimum deposit is usually higher than micro but still affordable. It offers better trading conditions with competitive floating spreads and high leverage options. Like the micro account, it runs on both MT4 and MT5. The premium account is ideal for intermediate traders who are trading slightly larger volumes and want improved conditions without going fully professional. Then we have the Pro account. This account is built for more experienced and active traders. It offers tighter spreads, sometimes starting around zero point 0.5 pips, depending on market conditions. Leverage can still go up to 1/1000. The Pro account is also available on MT4 and MT5. This is best for serious traders who trade frequently and want lower trading costs through tighter spreads. Now let's talk about the SyntX account. This account is specifically created for trading synthetic indices. These are algorithm-based markets that operate 24/7 and are not affected by real-world economic news. The minimum deposit can be as low as $1 and leverage can go extremely high, even up to 110,000. The Syntax account is only available on MetaTrader 5 and is suitable for traders who focus on synthetic volatility markets. Lastly, Weltrade also offers a demo account. This allows you to practice trading using virtual funds before risking real money. It's highly recommended for beginners or traders testing new strategies. So, how do you choose? If you're new, start with micro. If you have some experience and want better conditions, go for premium. If you're an active trader looking for tighter spreads, choose pro. If you trade synthetic indices, Syntex is your option. The good thing is you can open multiple account types under one profile and use them depending on your strategy. Always choose an account based on your trading style, capital, and risk tolerance, not just what others are using. If you'd like a step-by-step guide on how to open and verify your Weltrade account, let me know.